It seemed that our country's leaders chose to ignore one thing. These children already had culture. They already were Americans. Sherman Indian School Cemetery. Amongst the rolling hills, it's a small piece of history. So we're going to be checking out the other area as well, which is called Graffiti Falls. So it would be a shame to come here and not get a shot from up there. I was debating leaving to go to my actual destination, but it'd be a shame. So let's figure out a path.
I'll show you this. This is you because you like to take pictures.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Hang on, let me find it.
Oh, that is crazy. That's beautiful. Wow, the pattern's pretty cool.
Yeah. And then here's the.
Wow, you were really close.
Oh yeah, we're
amazing. Oh, that's a good shot. It's a really good picture.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that is that a video or a picture?
Well, that's a video. That's
wow,
he's
that's really
head.
clear too. Actually,
yeah. Look at that. He's.
Oh yeah, wow, that's so cool.
He turns.
I don't have my glasses, but yeah, it looks really good.
Oh yeah.
I might have to do it.
I'm not sure if it's that one or that one. I can't tell. But
no worries.
But
either way,
it's steeper than that.
I'll do both at some point anyway, so it won't make a difference. It's a beautiful day. Hope you have a good one.
Yeah, in about 3 months this won't be green.
Oh, you're telling me.
It'll be all brown. All right, see you, man.
Safe travels. There goes the falls. You can hear the stream, so the waterfall is definitely going. Yeah, so the stream's right down that way. A lot of times the waterfall is dry because we live in a desert, but this time of year it's typically flowing, and I could hear it, so that's a good sign. Let's see how big it is. Wait. Oh, there's some bees in there. I almost walked in there to go check that car out. So this is another one of our kind of revisits. I figured I'd go to all my previous good sites and just show people all about them. This is one of them. An old Jeep. It's a pretty simple hike. I would call it a beginner hike. There's lots of options that you can go to make it easier or hard. And that's where we're going right there. That's the top of Graffiti Falls. Alright, then we'll just hang a left up here. It's a pretty marked out trail. There's really no way that you could fail. When I originally came out here, I used to despise all of the graffiti. But as I'm getting older, I think it's okay in this particular location because it's known for that. We're almost there. So we need to get down. I'm just going up here. The falls is actually lower. I'm going just to the top. I made it. Graffiti Falls. So my usual tradition, whenever I come to some body of water, is I have to touch it. But first, let's admire some of this artwork. So we're gonna go down to the lower part of the falls. If you're gonna go to this hike, the best time to do it is around the rainy season, because in summertime the scenery looks totally different. There's no greenery anywhere, so still beautiful, but just a different kind of beautiful.